Namaste, Namaskaram, Vanakkam. I welcome you all to the most awaited video for CA Inter Income Tax expected questions for your May 2026 examinations. Guys, in the past, I have given list of expected question areas, and trust me, more than 70 to 80% of the paper was tested on these areas. You know what? This is not any random analysis. This is purely based on trend analysis. We analyze the latest 5 to 6 attempts of question papers, and we understand the expectations and the trend which is followed by ICAs, and based on that I have prepared amazing list of expected areas on which ICI may test you in the income tax paper for the coming attempt as well. Guys, first of all, before getting into the video, I would like to tell you some repeatedly tested areas of ICAI, especially in the income tax paper, guys. If you take past 5 attempts question papers, you will see that every attempt there is actually a pattern of examination paper of income tax. First compulsory question will be from the total income, where they will test you on multiple heads of income, and they'll also mix deductions, exemptions, and all of that. And if you look at question number 2A, 100% most of the times you will find it from the residential status topic. Likewise, if you see in question number 3, you will find TDS, TCS, and set off and carry forward of losses. These 4 topics, guys, almost every attempt they will definitely test, and I am damn sure for May 26 attempt also, you can never at any cost you cannot leave these topics. At least you just look at the weightage. Residential status, they test you for 6 marks. TDS, TCS, pakka one 4 mark question will come. Total income, you know very well, the first compulsory question comes from total income computation question only, and set off and carry forward of losses, 6 marks every attempt they are testing. Almost here itself you can see that you are already covering 25, half of the question paper is done. Out of 50 marks of your question paper, 25 marks, 50 marks is already, you can expect what topics are going to be coming. But guys, you know what? For this total income computation question, lot of students struggle to solve the total income computation question. What if I told you on my YouTube channel, I have uploaded one amazing video, total income question solving all patterns I have covered in just 1 hour. And the video title is total income in 1 hour, or 15 marks in 1 hour total income. One video is there. It was viewed by more than 20,000 students, and in the latest attempt also, students have scored really good, and I have got a feedback that total income computation was actually cakewalk for them. You must watch that video before you go for examination. Trust me, guys, if total income is a nightmare for you, you are scared of total income, you will gain confidence like anything, guys. That will fetch you very good marks, and it will save a lot of time also for you. Now, these were the repeatedly tested areas, but now I am going to discuss few areas where it is untested by ICA in the past attempts, and high chances it may be tested in this coming attempt, guys, because ICA always test the unexpected areas, and here I'll highlight in this PDF all those untested areas, and you have to make sure before going for examination you are looking into these areas before you go for. Now, coming to the basic concepts on agriculture income chapter, rebate and agriculture income, guys, these both topics are very important. Agriculture income, they may ask you as MCQ or a separate question altogether, but yes, agriculture income is also very important. Now, coming to rebate, guys, this attempt there has been amendment in rebate, so rebate becomes very important topic to be definitely looked at. Now, coming to residential status, guys, there are multiple models in residential status. They may sometimes ask you find out the residential status of a particular person, or they may ask you residential status of HUF. In the latest attempt, residential status of HUF was asked. Now, this attempt, I expect they will ask you the taxability of a particular person based on different residential status, because this has not been tested in the latest attempts, guys. So it becomes very important. If you remember that one table will come ROR, RNOR, NR. So if a particular person is a ROR, that particular income will be taxed or not. depending on the residential status and whether it is a foreign income or Indian income. That kind of a model, I think they may test you in this attempt. Now, coming to the salaries chapter, guys. See, salaries chapter, there may be two possibilities. Either they may ask you as MCQ, but lot of times in total income computation or a separate total income of a salary head, they may ask you giving multiple perquisites. So it becomes really important to look at all the perquisites before you go for examination. But one particular perquisite I personally feel definitely they will test you in this attempt is medical facility. If you remember, employer will sponsor abroad medical facility of employee. In that case, travel, stay, treatment, everything is sponsored by employer and up to the RBI limits and all is there. That medical facility, I think it may be tested in this examination. High chances are there. But I'm not saying that leave all other things. I'm saying these are the important core areas which you more focus is required, because these are the areas where students actually leave and go in examination, but they may be tested as a surprise by the ICI. Next, coming to the house property. Guys, it has been quite a bit of time where we can see past year, part of the year let out property and part of the year self-occupied, pre-construction period interest and part portion let out, like two-third of the building is let out, one-third is self-occupied. These kind of areas, they may definitely test you as a part of total income computation or as a part of MCQ question, guys. When it comes to PGBP, see, total income computation, the compulsory question itself is nothing but your PGBP question, guys. Because most of the adjustments you will find from the PGBP topic only. But I have listed here the most important adjustments, and pakka adjustment will come from here. You know what? I am going to come up with super 50 adjustments. One video I'll be uploading in just a few days. That video is going to be very, very important for you. Out of the 50 adjustment, last attempt also I uploaded, and out of 50 adjustments, almost every adjustment was given from the 50 super 50 adjustments which I have given. This attempt also I'll be coming up with super 50 adjustments video. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. So 40A1A, if you know TDS not deducted, 30% disallow, that provision is very, very important, guys. MSME payment, guys, this time there has been amendment in 43BH. It becomes very, very important. If there is an agreement, you have to make the payment within 45 days. If there is no agreement, you have to make the payment within 15 days. That MSE payment is the most important adjustment, and I highly think that it will may come. And depreciation, additional depreciation, it goes without saying, pakka depreciation is tested every attempt, guys. Scientific research section 35, if you remember, under default tax regime, if you contribute to outside organizations, that is not allowed. And section 40B, remuneration, highly important, guys. Remuneration to partners and interest to partners, pakka this attempt, I think 40B will be tested, because there is a parallel section in TDS also, 194T for the partners. Pakka there will be one testing adjustment on the partnership accounts. Now coming to cash payments more than 10,000, unreasonable payments made to brother, sister, like that. And 43B, there are certain payments which if you delay beyond the date of written off income, that will be disallowed. These areas please do check before you go for examination. Now coming to capital gains, guys, slum sale, if the ICA wants to ask you a separate question on capital gain, the most preferable area is slum sale, and I think it has been quite a bit of long time now. This time slum sale may be asked. And grandfathering of cost of acquisition of shares, buyback taxation, liquidation taxation, guys. There has been amendment in buyback taxation, liquidation taxation, so pakka they may test you on this topic also. Then land or building purchased before 23rd July but sold after 23rd July, that comparison is important. Now coming to IFOS, gift taxation, MCQ you can expect. And guys, I'm telling you for sure, deemed dividend may be tested in your examination, guys. Maturity of LIC has not been tested yet, that also can be tested. Claim of expenses against dividend income, if you remember, only maximum 20% of the income you can claim. And SDV, if it is more than 110% of sale value, that also may be asked. In clubbing, for long time they have been only asking you about clubbing of spouse income, clubbing of child income, but they have not tested you on daughter-in-law or Areas like gifted amount invested in a business, proportionate profit has to be taxed in the hands of gifting person, and child clubbing. These three areas, please do look into. Set off and carry forward of losses, as I already mentioned, 100% every attempt they ask you question, guys. So every loss adjustment is very, very important. Again, I have uploaded one separate video of set off and carry forward of losses. Just within half an hour, all adjustments you can finish off. It becomes very important. You go to my YouTube channel and you will find it, guys. Next, deductions, guys. The deductions separate question they will not ask. As a part of total income computation, they will ask you 80 QQB, RRB, 80G, 80D, 80C, 80GGC. These are the most important topics. Now coming to TDS, as I already mentioned, TDS 100% every attempt they are asking. But you know what, guys? This attempt they will test you on TCS, liberalized remittance scheme, or overseas tour program. Pakka, I can say question will come. Yes, so 194 J, I, DA, T, IB, Q, and TCS on LRS, education purpose or medical purpose, 100% I am telling you, question will definitely come, guys. On total income computation, you can look at the video which I already told you, guys. That is the most important thing. And return of income, guys. Again, every attempt 4 mark question is asked in return of income. This attempt, I'm damn sure updated return will come. Pakka, there is an amendment in that. So updated return is the first most important thing which you need to look at. Then loss return, belated revised return, and linking of PAN with Aadhaar. These topics, please do check out and go. Guys, I've already uploaded on my YouTube channel a marathon. 100% of the syllabus I have covered in just 12 to 14 hours. Everything is covered. Not even a single topic is left, guys. Beautiful marathon, 100% English language. Do watch out that. Guys, please follow my Telegram channel. And one more thing, this PDF which you're looking at, if you want this PDF, in this video's description, you will find a Telegram channel link. Go click on that link and you will find the PDF uploaded in that Telegram channel. This expected questions PDF, you can find it over there. And Instagram channel also you can follow for amazing update, guys. Now, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to Tax Thalaiva channel, guys. I'll be uploading LDR questions marathon very soon, RTP discussion, exam day revision. One day before your examination, I'll be coming live and I'll be summarizing the whole income tax in just 4 to 5 hours. Super 50 adjustment I'm going to come. Super 7 questions also I'll be getting. Super 7 questions. Out of that questions, most of the adjustments will be covered in your examination, guys. Guys, if you want to buy my books, amazing books or classes, if you want to buy, I have both regular batch and practice batch already fully recorded, 100% English language. You can buy it either from www.taxthalaiva.com or www.caclassroom.com. The benefit of buying from caclassroom.com is you can buy as a combo of other subjects. Like you want to buy a combo of income tax, GST, that is also possible. You want to buy full group one, that is also possible. So that you can do it on CA Classroom, but only income tax you can find it on www.taxthalaiva.com. All the very best, guys. I'm pakka sure 100% I'm telling you, minimum 60 to 70% of the syllabus of your question papers you will find from these topics only. One last line I want to say. Don't, the intention of this video is not just to tell you only focus on this topic and go. That is not the intention. You have to focus on 100% of the syllabus, but highly focus areas will be these things, guys. Namaste, namaskara, vanakkam.